Winter is here, and with it comes the undeniable need for warmth and comfort. What better way to impress the season than with freshly baked Nutella cookies? Stay tuned as we transform your chilly evenings into a cozy, chocolate-filled paradise. I am Hannah, your culinary guide on this delectable journey from blogging good food. So, let's dive right in. Here's what you will need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and of course the star of the show, 1/2 cup of Nutella. Before we start, make sure you have got your favorite mixing bowls, a sturdy spatula, and don't forget your baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now, let's get our hands deliciously dirty. Step 1. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Step 2. Now add in the egg and vanilla extract. Mix it up until it's all well combined. It's starting to look and smell amazing, isn't it? Step 3. Time for the star ingredient, Nutella. Gently fold in that velvety chocolate goodness until it's beautifully marbled throughout the dough. Step 4. Now grab a cookie scoop and drop generous portions onto your prepared baking sheet. Don't be shy, we want those cookies to be as big and luscious as possible. Step 5. Pop these cookies into a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And there you have your mouth-watering Nutella cookies that are soft on the inside and perfectly crispy on the outside. I can't resist taking a bite. Perfection. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deliciousness, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a treat. Until next time, happy baking from Blogging Good Food.